channel. My name is Krystelle. I'm sorry for my voice. I lost my voice this week, so it's like recovering. Anyway, so this video is an all matte burgundy-ish fall orangish tutorial. I really love how this eye look turned out. It's so pretty and it's so fall. I'm so happy it's fall. Thank you. Anyways guys, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already primed my eyes and my face, and here I'm taking my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this taupey brown shade, and I'm going to be using that as my transitional color. So now I'm taking this Colourpop shadow in the shade Elixir, and I'm going to be applying that on top of my transition shade. Guys, my brand new Colourpop shadow broke and shattered all over. But anyways, I'm taking the shade Seeker, also by Colourpop, and I'm going to be popping that in my outer V of my eye. I'm also dragging that color in my inner crease area, not just the outer V. So now I'm going back with Elixir, and I'm just going to kind of add it again because I feel like I lost it when I added Seeker in my outer V. So now I'm going to be taking this burgundy shade from my Huda Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to be putting that onto my lid. I saw that it wasn't giving me much color payout, and so you just kind of have to keep building it up with this shade. So now I'm taking the taupey shade from my Huda Beauty Fall Obsessions palette, and I'm going to smudge that underneath my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take that Elixir shade and smudge that underneath on top of the taupey brown. So now I'm taking the shade Seeker, and I'm also going to be smudging that on my lower lash line. What I'm doing is I'm basically going in the order that I did the top of my eyes. I got this idea from Kathleen Lights, and I really love the way it looks. Here I'm taking that burgundy shade, and again I'm just smudging it on my lower lash line. So now I am going to do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to go back to my eyes. So I'm taking my Colourpop foundation in the shade 185 Dark. Has anyone had this problem with the shade range? Because I feel like I thought 175 was my color, but 185 was my shade, but I feel like there's not like a lot of deeper shades. Am I the only one? Maybe. So I took my NYX HD concealers in the shade 7.5 and 8.0. I feel like the 8.0 is so much lighter than the 7.5. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Now I'm going to be taking my Colourpop No Filter setting powder, the loose one, in the shade Banana, and just putting that on all in the areas that I put concealer in, and a little bit on the rest of my face. I saw one that was in the shade Medium Dark. I saw it online somewhere on Instagram. If anyone by any chance knows where this is, please, can you please comment down below so I can find out if it's real or maybe if it was a fake picture, please. So I did a baby wing, and I did a little bit of smudging one of the darker shadows on my lash line, but I did that off camera because I was horrible at it and it just looks horrible, so I didn't even want to show you guys how I did it. But anyways, here I'm using my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I love this mascara. I actually got a sample size for my birthday from Ulta, but I'm definitely going back and purchasing the full size. I love it. I used my Laura Geller highlighted illuminating stick in the shade Gilded Honey just to highlight my face. So now I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray to just set my face and put everything together. And now for the lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Colourpop lip liner in the shade Grundge. You guys, you have to get this lip liner. It works so well for every skin tone, I believe. I love it so much. Great lip liner. And then I'm gonna go on top of it with my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade, I think I used Spice Girl. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!